morning everyone. Welcome to our another video. Yesterday we completed Sai Darshan. Today and tomorrow's plan is to visit Krishneshwar Jyotirling, Sunny Singlapur, Ajanta and Ellora caves. Since Ajanta cave is closed on Monday, we planned it for today, that is Sunday. First we will have a darshan at Krishneshwar temple. It's a 12th Jyotirling, and then head for Ajanta cave. And tomorrow's plan is to visit Sunny Singlapur and Ellora caves. Note that Ellora caves are closed on Tuesday. As per Google Map, Krishneshwar temple is approximately 100 km from Shirdi, and it will take around 1 hour 23 minutes approximately. Approaching Krishneshwar temple, we have already completed our drive in the expressway. Now only 5 km left. Expected to reach around 9 a.m. अब हम कृष्णेश्वर टेम्पल की और पहुंचने वाले हैं. 5 किलोमीटर ऑलमोस्ट बचा हुआ है. 5 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है. 9 के आसपास हम पहुंच जाएंगे. हमारा एस्टिमेट से आधा घंटा लेट है. हमने 8:30 तक का टारगेट रखा था, बट थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया है निकलने में. We'll keep you posted how the crowd is there in the temple and how much time it takes to complete the darshan. So we have left Krishneshwar temple and we are now heading for Ajanta caves. So it took us approximately 2 hours. We reached 9 o'clock to the parking, and then we left the temple at around 11. So including all the time, it took 2 hours. So अंदाज से 2 घंटा का टाइम लगा मंदिर में. संडे के कारण थोड़ा रश ज़्यादा था, बट अदरवाइज इट वाज ओके. नॉट अ बिग रश कंपेयर्ड टू अदर डेज एज पर द लोकल पीपल. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू अजंता केव्स. अजंता केव हमें अभी 2 घंटा और लगने वाले हैं. इट इज़ ऑलरेडी हाफ. राइट नाउ इट इज़ 9:40. हाफ एन आवर वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड. Roads are not very good, but so that's why it is showing that it will take around 2 hours. We'll keep you updated on the progress and how the road conditions are further. So far it is not good. Lot of bad patches of road and Ghat road. minutes away from Ajanta caves. 25 मिनट और लगने वाला है अजंता केव. 20 किलोमीटर. रास्ता बहुत ख़राब था.
lot of roadworks in between. So if you are planning, just keep in mind that you will take 30 to 40 minutes extra time because of bad roads, and also due to Sunday आज ट्रैफिक थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा था, लोकल ट्रैफिक. So we are, as per Google now, the time is 1:45 that it is showing. 10-minute delay on the road. We'll keep you updated. Stay with us.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
Last few
Lane
kilometers
departure.
to reach Ajanta Caves. It's around 4.8 kilometer और बचा हुआ है. Time right now is 1:34. We'll reach by 1:45, around approximately 1:45. The Ghat road of Ajanta Caves. Approaching Ajanta Caves, you can see the Ghat road. Not very steep or dangerous, but it's a lot of curves. The trees are now without leaves. As you can see, it's all brown color. If we come in the rainy season, it may be green, but now it looks totally different. Contrasting landscape from Ooty and Nilgiri Hills. There it was very lush green, and here it is all brown. यहाँ पर भी है पिन बैंड है दिशा, बट स्टीप नहीं है.
We reached Ajanta Caves at around 2 p.m. Then took the MTDC bus from the parking area. It will charge you 25 rupees per person for non-AC bus and 30 rupees for an AC. You have other option also, like you can do a trekking to the caves, but in the hot summer you may better take the bus. If you come early, then you can try trekking.
So we have reached Ajanta Cave, and we are climbing. We took small break of tea and water, and now heading towards the cave. So you can see the mountains we are climbing. This side.
नहीं वो उससे ही जाएंगे.
उधर जाने का ट्रेकिंग करके. So we are now walking through the caves. We've completed 1 and 2. Plan to skip 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll start the 9th and 10th, the few important ones, and then return back because of limited time.
So a lot of walking is required to come to Ajanta caves and be prepared for it. So we skipped few of the caves which was not good as per the manuals. So we tried to finish it within 2 hours, and we ended our trip, our complete tour by 4 p.m.
The Ajanta cave, and we are returning back to Shirdi, and then today we have Aarti booking, so we'll attend the Aarti in the night, and then next day we'll update you again. So next day's plan is to visit Sunny Singlapur and Ellora caves. So let's see. The return time was likely it will take 3.5 hours. So now the time is around 5 o'clock, going to be 5 o'clock. So we will reach by 8:30.
Turn right toward National Highway 160, then turn left onto National Highway 160.
So today the time is now 7:36. We are heading for Sunny Singlapur, the third day and the final day at Shirdi.
100 meters.
We'll
Turn
reach
right.
approximately by 9
Turn
a.m.
right toward National Highway 160, then turn left onto National Highway 160.
Total 71 kilometer it is showing. And now in the National Highway 160, and the
Continue
distance
on
is
National Highway 160
71
for
kilometer.
48 kilometers.
टोटल टाइम अभी 1 घंटा 20 मिनट का दिखा रहा है, तो हम अराउंड 9 बजे पहुंच जाएंगे सनी सिंगलापुर. Today's plan is to visit Sunny Singlapur and then head for Ellora caves and then return back. We may visit one Hanuman Mandir if time permits. Otherwise, we'll straight away head for Shirdi and do some local shopping here. Stay with us for more updates. Road seems to be okay, not very good but not very bad also. Very less traffic on the road. अभी हम सनी सिंगलापुर के लिए 62 किलोमीटर्स बाकी है हमारा. रोड काफ़ी ख़राब नहीं है बट काफ़ी अच्छा भी नहीं है. इट इज़ ऑल गुड. NH 160 है हाईवे. बीच में हम कट करके इंटीरियर रोड्स पे जाएंगे अराउंड 30-35 किलोमीटर्स के बाद. अभी तक तो हाईवे रहे. बाहर काफ़ी ठंडा है, मतलब टेम्परेचर इज 17 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सो इट इज़ समटाइम इट वाज शोइंग 16 डिग्री ऑल्सो. तो काफ़ी ठंडा है कंपेयर टू हैदराबाद. इट इज़ वेरी चिल्ड हियर एट लीस्ट द मॉर्निंग. डे टेम्परेचर yesterday it rose to 34-32 degree, but the morning is very chill here. So now we will leave the highway and take the cut to left turn to सनी सिंगलापुर. अब हम थोड़ी देर में हाईवे छोड़ देंगे और सनी सिंगलापुर के लिए लेफ्ट टर्न लेंगे. अभी भी
Take the next left onto
28
National Highway
kilometer.
160C.
28 kilometers still left. 23 kilometer, 28 minutes. Expected time to reach is around 9.
Continue on National
The highway was
160C
okay, but there were a lot
19
of
kilometers.
in between bumpers and speed breakers because of small village. 160 highway was okay, but there were a lot of speed breaker. The speed was not, you cannot drive continuously in the constant speed, and with lot of in between trucks and local traffic. But still it is manageable, not a bad road. Now we are in the interior roads. This also looks okay. Area. It's saying 4 kilometer now, 6 minutes. हम अब सनी सिंगलापुर एंटर हो गए हैं. 4 किलोमीटर के आसपास का डिस्टेंस दिखा रहा है. We'll keep you updated once I reach the parking area. Stay with us.
We reached Sunny Singapore at around 9 o'clock. There was virtually no crowd in the temple and no queue. It was virtually empty, maybe because of Monday.
इसमें एक मिसिंग है. We are now done with Sunny Singapore, and we are now heading to Ellora Caves. The time is right now around 10 o'clock. So we finished within 1 hour. No rush today. So we finished within 1 hour everything. And now we are back in the car. Okay, so we are now exiting Sunny Singapore, and we are heading towards Ellora Caves. The distance is exactly 100 km as per Google. 1 hour 52 minutes, that is 12 PM. So अब हम सिंगलापुर से निकल रहे हैं इलोरा के लिए. Distance as per Google, it is showing exactly 100 kilometers. Expected time for arrival is 12.
National Highway 7.
गोदावरी रिवर. I think गोदावरी रिवर है. गोदावरी होगा.
Lane departure.
So we have reached Ellora, and we are just heading for the caves. We reached here at 12:30 after parking and token, buying the tickets. So all took us around 30 minutes, and now we are heading for the cave. So we are at the cave number 16. So this is cave number 30.
टिकट नहीं रहा कुछ नहीं रहा तो फ्री छोड़ देता, पर वो ऐसा अपने पैसे लेता नहीं डिपार्टमेंट। तो कोर्ट में पहले टिकट चलता था। आपके अमृतसर के बंगाल
Hyderabad.
हाँ
Done with Ellora cave, and now we are returning back to Shirdi. It's very hot outside. You can see I'm sweating. So we are now heading back to Shirdi. The time right now is 4:11 and expected time to reach is 5:30. So hopefully we'll reach on time and we'll do some shopping at the local shopping at Shirdi and then wind up end our day. तो हम वापस शिरडी की ओर जा रहे हैं। हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया है। ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटा 22 मिनट लगने वाला है।
There's a stop vehicle ahead.
अराउंड 5:30 हम रीच करने वाले हैं अप्रॉक्सीमेटली। शिरडी पहुंचकर फिर हम वहाँ थोड़ा लोकल शॉपिंग करेंगे और अपना आज का दिन ख़त्म कर देंगे। सो वी फाइनली रीच्ड शिरडी एट अराउंड 5:40 PM and we have completed our trip for as planned. We will now go for some small shoppings in and around Shirdi temple and then wind up for the day.